In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add autoplay background music to Wix website. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of the changes for your website layout and media settings. Once your site is loaded, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page where you want the background music to appear. This is important because the music player will be added directly inside the editor. Next, go to the Add Elements option by clicking the plus icon. This opens the panel where Wix keeps different content blocks and website features that you can place on your page. From there, select Video and Music. Inside that section, look for audio players. Wix gives you a few player styles to choose from, so select the one that best matches the design of your website. After you choose a player, it will be added to your page. Once the player appears on the page, click on it and then open the Settings option. This is where you will control how the audio works. In the Settings panel, upload your audio file. Make sure you choose the correct music file that you want visitors to hear when they enter your site. It is a good idea to use audio that fits the tone of your brand and is not too distracting for visitors. After the file has been uploaded, find the autoplay setting and switch it on. This tells Wix to start the audio automatically when someone opens the page. If your goal is to create a more immersive website experience, this is the setting that makes that happen. Keep in mind that autoplay behavior can sometimes depend on the visitor's browser or device settings, so the feature may not work exactly the same for every user. Before you finish, it is a good idea to preview the page and confirm that the player is in the right position and that your audio is set up correctly. This helps you catch any small issues before your visitors see the final version. When everything looks good, click Publish. This saves your changes and makes the autoplay background music live on your Wix website. That covers everything you need to know.